in the rain, like fire.
It's Riding Besties, and today we are going to be doing an intro on how to ride English for beginners. Today I'm going to be showing you the basics of English. Let's start the tack.
First, let's talk about the English saddle pad. This loop here helps the saddle pad stay onto the saddle. Stay with the saddle. You loop the girth through on each side, so it doesn't slip off when you're riding. Yeah, that's what happened to me and my friend. Okay, now we're going to talk about the English saddle, which is the most important part about the English set. So when you're done riding your horse, make sure to put the stirrups up. And the way you do that,
Lots of children.
the way you do that is when they're down really like that, you pull it up on the bottom string, you loop these down and put it through. And then you have to make sure that this part goes through here whenever you're riding. Okay, now we're going to talk about these little hoops right here. When you're cantering, sometimes you put a strap along here so when you're cantering you hold on to that. It's easier, but with Caesar, he's the horse over there.
This is a bridle. So this kind of bridle is called a hackamore, which it doesn't have a bit. The bit is used to help control the horse through its mouth. But for Caesar, we're just using this hackamore until we can get him an actual bit bridle. So this hackamore noseband is just, you can just clip it onto the bridle itself. So these are the reins, which you use them to help control your horse. You also use your legs, which you want to use mostly, but the reins also help. So these reins are just clip-on reins, so they just clip on and off. If I can get this clipped on. Okay, and then this is the stirrup latch. So you just want to latch this under the horse's stirrup, which we'll show when we do the tack up video. And this is just the forehead band, so it goes on the forehead. And that's pretty much all about the bridle.
So I have two body brushes that I use for him. This one's a little more stiff than the other one. This one's just looser, it's older. And then so this one I just use to really get out all the dirt. He's very clean because we brushed him earlier when we were riding. And then this one I just use to just get all the dust off. So let's start. So I just do some nice motions with it, the way of his fur, just to make sure. And then if there's any like really dirty spots, then I'll kind of just work on it. But he likes being brushed a lot, so.
I remember you and me before we knew our destiny. Never walked the road before, though you longed to search for more. We put everything aside with our futures on the line. I could say it's 'cause of you. You showed the dream we walked into. I saw the danger on the way, but with you it seemed okay. 'Cause when the evening comes, we're like fire in the rain. When the night's begun, our desire heals the pain. And the dreams we share, they are never gonna fade. It's because of love we're standing here today. We're like fire in the rain, like fire in the rain.
Sensitive part of the horse's hoof. And I already cleaned all his hooves out, so they're pretty clean, and I didn't get it on video. But yeah, you just want to make sure that you don't get the middle part of the horse's hoof. And if you are doing it for the first time and you need help, I'm sure a trainer or your mom or dad or some sibling that knows how can hold it for you and help you.
I remember you and me before we knew our destiny. Never walked the road before, though you longed to search for more. We put everything aside with our futures on the line. I could say it's 'cause of you. You showed the dream we walked into. I saw the danger on the way, but with you it seemed okay. 'Cause when the evening comes, we're like fire in the rain. When the night's begun, our desire heals the pain. And the dreams we share, they save your life. We could mend our every scar just by looking at the stars. In my mirror I saw you, everything I need to see. The reflection set me free. 'Cause when the evening comes, we're like fire in the rain. When the night's begun, our desire heals the pain. And the dreams we share, they are never gonna fade. It's because of love we're standing here today. We're like fire in the rain. 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 When the evening comes, we're like fire in the rain.